Hello everyone and welcome back to Travel with Alexander. In today's video, we're going to be looking into some of the safest airlines that you can fly in 2021. So let's get into it. But before we get into the top 5, let's look over some of the other airlines that were close but just didn't make the list. Now, in the number 5 spot, we have Emirates. Emirates actually has never suffered a major crash with one of their aircraft. They only lost one aircraft on a failed aborted landing in Dubai. No one was injured. Emirates has also been ranked one of the most luxurious airlines in the world. Emirates has also been given the title of a COVID-compliant airline, meaning that they were and still are complying with COVID recommendations and requirements. Now, in the number 4 spot, we have Singapore Airlines. This is another airline with a very small incident history, with only one recorded accident with a 747 in the early 2000s. Singapore Airlines is another COVID-compliant airline. Next up, in the number 3 spot, we have Air New Zealand. Air New Zealand has only 2 recorded incidents since the beginning of 2000. The New Zealand-based airline also is another COVID-compliant airline. After Air New Zealand, we have Qatar. Qatar Airways has only suffered 2 incidents since its start, with no casualties whatsoever. Qatar has also received the Best Airline Awards from Skytrax. And finally, the safest airline in the world for 2021 is Qantas. The Australian-based airline has already won this award 7 times in the past. Since 1952, Qantas has also had 0 incidents. They also won all of the Skytrax awards in the Australia and Pacific category. Well, that is all for today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, consider liking and subscribing to the channel because it really encourages me to make more videos like this. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Travel with Alexander.